Bite Boost reached out to me and they're like, hey, we're gonna send you some of our elderberry syrup. I was like, yes, please sign me up. Now, in the past elderberry syrup I tried, it was very like thick, almost like cough syrup. So whenever I would associate like elderberry, I kind of thought of cough syrup. Like, oh, if I feel like I have like a little cough or something, I'll get my elderberry. Any type of like under the weather symptom, I'd run to elderberry, but it didn't always have like the best taste. I just tried this on camera for you guys so you guys will see, and this tastes amazing. Way better than the other elderberry syrup that I tried. And it's just very light, easy to get down. And there's a special trick that if you do, you barely taste it at all. So I'm gonna show you guys that on camera. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's VitaBoost organic liquid. So actually very pretty. It's very basic, honestly, it doesn't even have to be pretty. Okay, so in here it says free bottle, claim yours. So with this, I'm actually going to try and claim one of the biotin or B12 ones. But okay, so on here it says immune support, it's vegan, and it's 200 milligrams, and the serving size is 2 milliliters, so 2 drops, and it's just organic black elderberry sambucus. Other claims, it's allergen free, gluten free, it's third-party certified, lab tested, and this berryful flavor. I'm excited to see if the flavor is any different from what the other brand I tried. So we're gonna go ahead and taste it. There's additional packaging on here that lets us know it hasn't been opened. All right, so here we go. So when you load it up, I actually like that. It has little numbers on it so you could see how much you're actually taking. So we're gonna load that all the way up. Great. And then they say to put it under the tongue. I have a glass of water here just in case I need to wash down the flavor quickly. But a serving size is 2 milliliters. I wasn't able to fully pump it up to 1, so here we go. And guys, I make weird faces when I like take medicine, so bear with me. Oh my gosh, it's not bad at all. Oh my gosh, hold on. That was not bad at all. I wonder if it's because I put it underneath my tongue, and I wonder if like most of my taste buds are on top of my tongue. That was not bad at all. The other elderberry I've taken, it was very thick and almost tastes a little bit like cough syrup. This I can subscribe to. I'm just gonna get a little bit more because my first one wasn't fully like, I don't know if you guys saw, but it wasn't like a full 1 milliliter. So we're just gonna take like a little more, just so I can make sure. I'm gonna put it on top of my tongue now to see if it tastes different. Let's see. Okay. I know looking at me try it was weird. On top of the tongue tastes a little different. Like you could taste it more. So when they say put it underneath your tongue, I definitely recommend, because like you can barely taste it. Even on top of the tongue, it doesn't taste as bad. Like my other elderberry syrup, I remember like wanting to just take it really fast because I was like, oh, like it's so like cough syrupy. But this is very like light and it's almost delightful to take. I was not expecting that. So freaking good. Oh my gosh. So I will link below on Amazon where you guys can go and shop this. It will be an affiliate link. But thank you so much, Bite Boost, for providing this for me. It was pleasantly delicious. I am gonna have some water just to wash it all down. All right, so you guys might be wondering what the heck is elderberry and elderberry syrup. Elderberry is a berry, obviously, that they use in tons of vitamins, especially elderberry syrup. And the main thing for me is I feel like it definitely boosts my immune system, and that's usually what I take it for. So personally, I don't take elderberry every single day. I'll take it like 2-3 times a week when I'm on my vitamin regimen. I definitely like just having elderberry syrup nearby just in case like I do start to feel a little under the weather, like something in my throat, like a little cold or something coming on, which has been rare. But yeah, like because I pay attention to like what goes on in my body, I'm able to be like, I think I need a little bit of this vitamin or this vitamin. So if I ever feel like just a little under the weather, I usually run for my elderberry syrup. So I would run for my elderberry syrup so much that the last time I had elderberry, like I went through that quickly. Like I was pleasantly surprised at how fast I went through that, just because I didn't think it was something that I would be reaching for, but I definitely felt the difference when I was just like, not feeling well, let me get some elderberry syrup, got it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys want to pick it up, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box. Thanks again, Bite Boost, for sponsoring this video, and you guys stay tuned. I have pretty good story and update for my updated vitamin regimen. If you haven't seen the previous vitamin videos, I will link them below, but make sure you guys get caught up on those because I have so much tea to spill as far as like my vitamin regimen. Have I been sticking to it? Have I felt a difference? All of that. So that'll be in our next updated video. But yeah, if you guys want to try and add something new to your vitamin regimen, I definitely support adding some elderberry up in there. And let me know if you guys notice the difference or just feel like a boost in immunity when you're feeling under the weather. It also says it's like helps with, you know, brain support, your stomach, just another one of those like power vitamins that really help with like multiple things. So good to have in your system and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.